Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Minecraft. This guide will help you calibrate your controller to minimize or eliminate drift issues. Step 1. Access controller settings. Navigate to your gaming console or PC settings. Look for the section dedicated to controllers or devices. This is where you will find options to calibrate your controller. Step 2. Select calibration option. Within the controller settings, find the calibration option. This may be labeled as Calibrate or Adjust depending on your system. Select this option to begin the calibration process. Step 3. Follow on-screen instructions. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions provided during the calibration process. You may be asked to move the joystick in various directions or press buttons to ensure accurate input recognition. Step 4. Test the controller. After completing the calibration, test your controller in Minecraft. Check if the drift issue persists by moving your character and observing the response of the joystick. Step 5. Adjust dead zones if necessary. If the drift continues, return to the controller settings and look for dead zone adjustments. Increase the dead zone settings slightly to reduce sensitivity and help eliminate drift. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively calibrate your controller and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Minecraft.